Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to get an upfront but vintage vocal sound by using Waves plugins. So let's have a quick listen to the vocal so far.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think you're from Paris or Rome. I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation. Hey, don't understand.
So the first plugin that I'm going to load in on this vocal is the CLA76. So let's bypass the plugin and see how the vocal sounds without it.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think you're from Paris or Rome.
And let's bring it in.
But I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation.
So on the CLA76 we get two choices. We get the Blacky, which is a more modern sound, and the Bluey, which is a more vintage sound, and it's going to overdrive slightly more using the Bluey. So we're going to use the Bluey for this as we want a slightly more vintage vibe. So let's turn up the input just a little bit.
Don't understand what you're saying. Just get up and let your body do the talking.
And let's bring back the output, as I want to check and make sure my input and my output are about the same level. One of the first things that I'm noticing straight away is that it's chopping off the initial transient of the vocal, and I want to make the vocal punch through a bit more. So I'm going to slow down the attack. Let's try that again.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language.
And let's speed up the release as well.
From Paris or Rome. But I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need
take it
a
out
little
bypass.
physical translation. Babe, don't understand what you're saying. Just get up and let your body do the talking.
And let's check that in the mix.
I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language.
Let's bypass it.
And
bring it in.
I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little physical translation.
So even though we're compressing really hard, that vocal has become more forward and it's fitting better in the mix. But let's try it on the Blacky setting. And let's try it all buttons in mode. And try it in Blowy. So even though this vocal is really heavily compressed, that's a bit over the top for me. So let's try 8 to 1. Let's bring back the input just a bit and compensate by the output. Bypass it and bring it in. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you guys got something out of that, and I'll see you guys next time.